Hello, what's up guys? Welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to download video from YouTube. I will show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. You may let me know in the commentary which tutorial you need. Okay, so start. Okay, so first what you need is enter on your website. You have also link in the description to this program. Okay, so we write YouTube Premium here. We click at this. Okay. I teraz co my tutaj mamy? And now what we have here. YouTube and YouTube music at free offline and in the background. Okay, so as you can see, you may downloads, save videos for when you really need them. You have also YouTube Music Premium. You may download music, and also you have ad-free background play. Watch videos uninterrupted by ads while using other apps when the screen is locked. Okay, background play YouTube Music Premium. What is included with YouTube Premium? Ad-free videos. Download videos to watch offline, save videos and playlists on mobile devices and play them offline, play in the background, keep videos playing when using other apps, when your screen is off. YouTube Music, easily explore the world of music with the new and improved YouTube Music app. Add free music, listen, play in the background. You have also here how does downloading video, music and music work, what is the background play, how can I cancel my membership. Okay, as you can see, you have here around $6 to Montreal. We will remind you 7 days before your trial ends. Recurring billing, cancel at any time. Okay, so 2 months you have trial. Okay, start trial. Okay, so what you need is add credit or debit card, add my PaySafe card. Total today on month is 0. Later you click buy. You might also verify. Okay. You must connect, and later you can download YouTube Music Premium. Okay, without any problems. So that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope that I help you. You may write a comment what tutorials you need. And that's all. Thanks and bye bye, and see you next time.